Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Again, I'm back in business again. This episode, there's gonna be I'm gonna using the local fruits. Most of these fruits is growing in the Southeast Asia. This they call star apple. Star apple is we call it kaimito. Kaimito is like that's our language though. They have a purple one, and they got the pure white inside. So there's purple inside also, and there's white inside. The green outside, but it's white inside. As you can see soon, I'm gonna open up. And there's another also. I think three kinds of the star apple. There's yellow, this green outside but white inside, and this purple inside too. All right, and then you got the Bombay gin. You can use any gin, local gin also, but this is what I prefer to use. And then you got the blue Curacao. It's not much, maybe 15 ml or maybe just a dash to just give a color also and a little bit of taste. And then you got the Grenadine syrup again. Just a dash of that too. And then you got the condensed milk. So any brand you can use anyway. So there's no specific. But this drinks is gonna be Philippine star drinks. So this drink is gonna be a blended drink. So we're gonna use a blender also. All right, cool. So let me slice this one. Knife, it's safety. You got the cover. All right. Are you gonna use this spoon also? We're gonna use the spoon, and then you got jigger, and then you got the bar spoon. So that's what I'm gonna use today. See, our dog is just barking and barking. I love it. Love it! See, as I told you, it's a purple inside. This is gonna be really good. Tastes really good too. This is season actually now, so smells good. And I'm gonna open up the white also. It's up to you. You can use either white or purple, but this time I'm gonna mix it. I don't like to waste this one, so I open up already. So there we go. See, it's white inside. Cool. And this one is purple. All right. Cool. So this is gonna be amazing. So 2 jigger of the Bombay gin. All right. This is gonna be the last, so I'm not gonna mix it now. I'm not gonna be ruining the color of these drinks. So just be careful actually. If your first time to use the kaimito or the star apple, there's a seeds. See, this is the seeds. There we go. Kaimito is not the seedless one. All right. So you have to remove it because you're gonna put in the blender. Let me check if we can make this as my garnish also. See the texture like star inside, right? So about 3 actually, it depends. If you use all big one, maybe 2 or 1 only. I'm gonna use 1 big one too. So be a bit generous actually of your drinks so that it tastes good. So there's the seeds down there. It's really fresh, you know. There we go. And this the condensed milk. I don't like to put the sugar because the condensed milk is really sweet. So this is Jigger. I mixed it already, so I just put like straight into this blender. It's about 30 ml, or maybe you can use an ounce also. So let me get the ice. So tonight, no shaking drinks. These are blended drinks. This is really good for smoothie actually. If you are on diet, you can use this like smoothie. Maybe you can mix with yogurt. That's really good. So this is gonna be about scoop of ice cube. You got big scoop in the bar. You got small scoop. Use the small scoop actually, not the big one. So here we go. All right. Let me double check. I think it's like kind of runny. So let me add a little bit of ice because it can be runny. This is really good to drink, but I want kind of a little bit more frosty drinks. So I've lied to you. I said one scoop, but this is like more than a scoop. It's a little bit of ice, so that is more. Smells really good anyway. So see, it looks like smoothie, but it's not a smoothie. Okay, a dash of the Grenadine syrup. So smash in the side with the glass so you can see some design also. See that? Really nice. Really nice. Just hold on. I'm gonna put the blue Curacao on top. So this is the blue Curacao on top. So just to layer a little bit, so don't. See, exactly. Nice, eh? So this is the Philippine star. There we go. And then let me add like a little bit of the blue Curacao on top. Here we go. And then the garnish. Let me slice again the garnish because this one looks like not really. It's presentable, but I'm not satisfied. When I don't satisfied, I'm gonna do again. Make sure that the guests are gonna order back again once I do the drinks. Oh, I love the drinks. Can you make it another for me? So that's gonna be really nice. I don't just make drinks, without quality. I work with the quantity. The quality actually, not quantity. So there we go. There we go. And then again, the trick of the double straw, especially the frozen stuff. So it's good to have a double straw. There you go. This is your Philippine star with the star apple. You got the Bombay gin. You got the blue Curacao. Oh, my goodness. Tricky, eh? Let me do it again. Let me try again. It's really soft, Really, really soft. I have another trick of that. I have always a way. So there we go. Right? I'd like to drop it down just to see the star apple on top, so that you can see this star on top. This is the Philippine star. Here we go. Well, again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and then share it in Facebook. And then I got the Instagram also. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, share. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice weekend.